holy shit, it works. So last week I addressed Kirby's water bowl situation, and instead I just made him a little garden that he waters every time he splashes water everywhere. And this week I am finally going to be doing the kitchen whiteboard wall. So let's see how far I make it this time. So there's a couple of different kinds of mixers. There's these two that happen to be here, and I don't really know the difference. They both say that they mix the joint compound together, but I like this one because it looks like my KitchenAid mixer, so I'm just gonna get this one. So there's all different kinds of joint compound that are here. This one's a pre-mixed formula, and it's 20 bucks. This one, I think, is a powder formula, and it's $13. So I'm gonna get the all-purpose one because it's all of the walls. So the last time I worked on this wall, went everywhere. This time, I'm taking precaution and I'm going to put out plastic on the floor. This project's not supposed to be dusty or anything like that, so I'm not super worried about ventilation or anything like that, but I just don't want it to splatter all over the ground. I'm also going to be taping it down because I don't want to get areas that I'm not supposed to, and just for extra security purposes. Okay, I seriously thought that this was powder. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing something called skim coating, and I did not know that this existed until I had my sanding catastrophe. Some people had comments suggesting what they think I should do for getting rid of the texture on these walls, and I really appreciated that. I got some really awesome feedback. But one follower said to do skim coating, and I did a little bit of research on it. I kind of decided that that's what I want to try next. It seems like it would seem as though it is the best course of action to get this done. That is some thick ass shit. Maybe I should just put the entire thing in the bucket. I did buy a lid for this so it would be airtight. I feel like this bag is gonna break. So I don't know how long I wasn't recording for, but I just squished this compound out of a large plastic bag, and it sounded like a balloon squishing out pudding, or someone ate one too many burritos. I bought this little KitchenAid mixer stand thing, and turns out I don't need it because this is already pre-mixed, which it doesn't say on the box, but a win is a win. Oh, I just got it in my hair. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a little bit of a disaster already. So hopefully this goes well. I think it needs to go on thicker. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Obviously. Shout out to contractors, man. They make this look so easy, and I'm not gonna lie, trying to get it like as even as possible and filling gaps is not easy at all. So I am sanding today, and I am very nervous about it, very apprehensive, because the last time that I sanded, I rat-f***ed it. It went everywhere. It turned out I used the wrong brand sandpaper, and I thought it wouldn't make a difference, but turns out it did because the holes didn't line up. So instead of vacuuming in the like plaster powder, it just blasted it everywhere in the house. So this time, I am using the proper precautions. I'm using the right sandpaper, or I guess the same brand as for my specific sander. And because my sanding privileges have been revoked, I now have adult supervision.
I am the adult supervision.
Mm-hmm. I'm not gonna lie, that sanded so incredibly fast. Last time it took me hours to do like a 6-inch section, and even then it wasn't smooth. So I'm happy about this. Okay, I am done sanding this wall with the power sander at least, and it took me about 10 minutes to do this time, a job that took me hours to do before. And the mess is pretty minimal, actually almost non-existent. But there are small crevices and parts that I'm just gonna go in with a hand sander because I don't wanna blow dust everywhere and I wanna do some fine detailing. Tim is making pizza, and I am painting.
This handle's getting worse.
No, you don't want me to sing to you?
You want a riff? Some glow sticks?
No, you gotta get
Really?
tea tassels.
There you go.
I think you'd wear it, Tim.
Oh, nipple tassel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't really stick. I don't have the
But you know what?
I confess that I have fallen in love with someone else. And no, I'm not sponsored to say any of this. This is just my personal opinion on a product that I think is outstanding. I have fallen in love with this paint. For those of you that don't know, my name is Rose. Hi. I'm renovating my boyfriend's place so that I can move in. Now, on a previous project that I did for this channel, I painted all of the cabinets with Benjamin Moore paint. And hands down, it is the worst paint that I've ever used in my entire life. Now, I had leftover Sherwin-Williams paint in the color Evergreen Fog, which is the one that's right here. So I decided to just use it to cover this wall. Now, let me tell you something. This wall back here used to be white, and just with one brush stroke, instantly green. You couldn't see any of the white that was left over underneath. And then that's when I realized that on the canister, it actually says 1 coat coverage guaranteed. And they did not lie about that in the least. On this channel, I'm all about honesty because that's who I am as a person. So if I think that a product is complete and utter I'm gonna let you know. But on the other hand, if I think a product is amazing, I'm also not gonna gatekeep that, and I'm going to tell everyone that I think it's amazing. And this paint happens to be one of those times. Thank you for listening to my bullshit. Now comes the dry erase part. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum dry erase paint, and I chose clear. The reason why is because I didn't want my whiteboard to literally be white. I wanted the green in here. In theory, I should be able to paint this clear paint over this and turn it into a working whiteboard wall. So I'm a little bit concerned because this is extremely lightweight, like lightweight. And this is also very lightweight. I'm supposed to be mixing in part A into part B, shake it up real well, and I have to use it within an hour. Otherwise, I don't really know what would happen, but I'm assuming it just wouldn't be effective anymore. I need a foam roller for this. Okay, so they don't have any foam rollers that are the right size. They just have these teeny tiny, like, little art project ones. So I think I'm just gonna go with this one. It's for smooth surfaces, but it's still not a foam roller, so hopefully this suits my needs. Y'all, I can't even make this up. When I was trying to close this shut, I caught my own nipple on it, and that hurts so bad. So this is why it's so lightweight. This is a freshly opened canister. It's only like a fraction of the way full. Oh, what the hell? It changed color. It's like white now. Now I'm concerned that it's not, well, we'll see if it's actually clear. Maybe it'll dry clear. It's very gooey. It's like the consistency of like watered down Elmer's glue or something. It works.
Yep. Wait, erase it. Yeah, it works.
Holy shit, it works. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this week's episode, feel free to watch last week's episode where I make Kirby a portable dog water bowl garden because he's a messy drinker. Bye.